This video is in English language. I am exploring about this matter. 12 women has been changed the world totally. This is video about the 12 women. Who were that 12 women? I am just describing about these women. Please listen my video. Throughout history and across culture, women and girls have faced innumerable challenge and injustice. We are talking a moment to recognize 12 women who overcome adversity, broke through barriers and changed the world. Point first is Susan A. Anthony. Susan A. Anthony was raised in a Quaker family with deep roots in activism and social justice, inspiring her to become an advocate for women's suffrage, women's property rights and the abolition of slavery. In 1872, to challenge suffrage, Anthony tried to vote in the 1872 presidential election and was arrested. While Anthony was never able to legally vote, the 19th Amendment, ratified in 1920, was named the Susan B. Anthony Amendment. Point 2. Dr. Elizabeth Blackwell. Dr. Elizabeth Blackwell was the first woman to receive a medical degree from an American medical school after overcoming several odds. Admittance to an all-male institution and financing medical schools in 1856, she opened the New York Infirmary for Women and Children with Dr. Mary and her sister Emily, who also became a doctor. They also opened a medical college in 1857 with bounded opportunity for women doctors by providing training and necessary experience, as well as specialized medical care for those living in poverty. Point 3. Marie Curie. Born in Warsaw, Marie Curie became the first woman professor of general physics at the Sorbonne, known as the University of Paris. In 1906, she held master's degree in both physics and mathematical science and was the first woman to obtain a science doctorate. Madame Curie was also the first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes, the first in physics in 1903 with her husband Pierre Curie and Henry Becquerel for their study in spontaneous radiation, and the second in chemistry in 1912 for her work in radioactivity. Anne Frank. Point 4. Anne Frank was a writer and one of the most discussed Jewish victims of Holocaust. Born in Frankfurt, her family moved to Amsterdam when she was 4 years old due to widespread anti-Semitism in Germany. In 1940, when the Nazis occupied the Netherlands, the freedom Anne and her family had enjoyed for 7 years ended abruptly. They spent 2 years hiding in an annex, during which time Anne wrote extensively as a means of self-expression and self-preservation. Her family was ultimately discovered and sent to concentration camps. In 1945, mere weeks before the war ended, Anne died at the Bergen-Belsen camps in Germany. Her posthumously published part-time diary, The Diary of the Young Girl, was an intimate and remarkable account of the post-adolescence and Holocaust, quickly became a war literature classic. Point 5. Johnson Sirleaf. Johnson Sirleaf took office as the president of the Liberia in January 2006, becoming the first elected woman head of the state in Africa. She signed a Freedom of Information Bill and made reduction of the national debt cornerstone of her presidency, investigate crime committed during Liberia's civil war. She established a Truth and Reconciliation Commission. As a result, she became a global icon with her commitment to fighting dictator, corruption and poverty through empowerment of women and girls. President Sirleaf and 2 other female leaders were awarded the 2011 Peace Prize for their non-violent role in promoting peace, democracy and gender equality. Wangari Maathai. This is a point 6. Wangari was a Kenyan scientist, professor, environmental and political activist. She founded the Green Belt movement, community initiatives that seek to empower women through civic education and environmental stewardship. She was also the first woman in East or Central Africa to earn a doctorate degree in 2004. She was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for her work on sustainable development, democracy and peace. Became the first African woman and first environmental to receive the prize. Nadia Murad, point 7. Iraqi Yazidi activist Nadia Murad is a prominent voice in the fighting to help women and children affected by war. In 2014, she was kidnapped by the Islamic State and held captive for 3 months. During that time, she was held as a slave and experienced sexual and physical violence. After her escape, she became the first person to speak on human trafficking to the United Nations Security Council. She is also the founder of Nadia Initiative, which helped those affected by genocide and human trafficking. In 2018, she was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize alongside Denis for their work to end sexual violence as a weapon of war and armed conflict. She is the first Iraqi and first Yazidi to receive a Nobel Peace Prize. Shireen Ebadi, point 8. Shireen Ebadi, point 8. Shireen Ebadi is an Iranian lawyer and human rights activist and the first female judge in Iran. After Khomeini revolution in 1979, she was dismissed as a judge, but then opened a legal practice to defend people being persecuted by the authorities. In 2000, she was imprisoned for criticizing her country heresy. She won the 2003 Nobel Peace Prize for her pioneering efforts for democracy and human rights, especially those of women, children, and refugees. She is the first Iranian and first Muslim woman to win the prize. She is currently living in exile in the UK due to increased persecution of opponents of the current regime. Point 9. Benazir Bhutto. Born in Pakistan, Benazir Bhutto was a political activist from a young age. In 1984, she founded an underground organization to resist the country's military dictatorship. 4 years later, she became prime minister at only 35 years old, making her one of the youngest chief executives in the world and the first woman to serve as prime minister in Islamic country. While in office, Bhutto electrified the countryside, built schools all over the country, made hunger, housing and health care her top priority and sought to modernize Pakistan. She was assassinated in 2007 while leaving a campaign rally. Her efforts to promote democracy and women's empowerment are central parts of her legacy. Point 10. Jamieson, Maya Jamieson. Dr. Maya Jamieson. Dr. Maya Jamieson, an American physician, is the first African American female astronaut. She was accepted to NASA astronaut training program in 1987. 5 years later, she became the first African American woman in space as a science mission specialist aboard the space shuttle Endeavour. Before her career at NASA, she worked in a Cambodian refugee camp in Thailand and served in the Peace Corps in Ceylon and Liberia. Point 11. Rigoberta. Rigoberta, an indigenous Guatemalan woman of the Kachi branch of the Mayan culture, has dedicated her life to promoting the rights of the indigenous people. She became active in the women's rights movement as a teenager, later became a prominent worker rights advocate. In 1981, after most of her family had been killed and with her own life in danger, she fled to Mexico, where she completed her resistance work against oppression in Guatemala. In 1992, she became the first indigenous person to receive a Nobel Peace Prize in recognition of her work for social justice and ethno-cultural reconciliation for indigenous people in Guatemala. In 2006, Mincho was one of the founders of the Noble Women Initiative, a group of female laureates who work together to strengthen women's rights worldwide. Malala Yousafzai, point 12. Malala Yousafzai is a Pakistani advocate for girls' education and the youngest ever Nobel Prize laureate. In 2009, when Malala was just 11 years old, she began blogging about the life and the Taliban, speaking out directly against their threat to close girls' school. The blog on BBC Urdu granted international attention, making her the target of death threats. In October 2012, a gunman shot her and 2 other girls as they were coming home from school. Malala survived the attack and went on to publish the autobiography I Am Malala, the girl who stood up for education and was shot by the Taliban. In 2013, she founded the Malala Foundation to campaign every girl's right to education, and in 2014 she received the Nobel Peace Prize with Indian children rights activist Kailash. This was the list of 12 women who have decided to change the world accordingly as they have thinking. I have described this from my channel, World Informative channel, which is providing the autobiography, general knowledge and much more information. True information is based on facts, autobiography with poor people, and this channel is a very important channel for those who want to get information really and fact based. Thank you for watching. Inshallah we shall meet again tomorrow.